Well, here we are at section 7, my friend. I have to say, I have loved taking you on this tour. It's been really fun for me, and hopefully you've enjoyed it as well. Now, what we have here is the water that goes on to power the water wheel that we saw at section 4. This water runs down and hits the wheel and makes it turn, which then moves all the machinery and equipment that we saw in sections 5 and 6 inside the buildings. Now, do you remember that £1 million we talked about earlier? Well, when the people managing the site got that money, half of it, £500,000, had to be used to line the bottom of the pond you're looking at right now. This is because water was leaking through the earth and grass and flooding nearby areas. Back in my day, we used to use clay that was squashed and pressed down so no water could get through it. That's a bit tricky to do nowadays. You needed experts to do that kind of thing, and there's not many of them about. So, what the people did is they used a modern type of material to line the bottom instead, a special kind of mesh. That way, the water stays here and doesn't bother anyone else and keeps on powering our little wheel. Now, this, unfortunately, is the end of the tour. I have to be getting back, as my wife is calling me to have my tea, and it's going to take me a while to travel 150 years back in time, especially with old Stumpy bothering me. Now, I hope you have enjoyed this tour and this site. If you have any questions, ask any of the volunteers here. And why not visit the other 2 sites linked to the Sheffield Industrial Museums Trust, the fantastic Abbeydale Industrial Hamlet, and the brilliant Kelham Island Museum. They are a great way to spend the day, and you can find out more about Sheffield's industrial history. So, I hope you've had a nice day, and hopefully see you very soon. Now I'm just going to go back to the time machine and enter the coordinates. Close the door, Stumpy. Thank you very much. Entering coordinates now. That seems about right. Huh. What does this one do, Sam? I think I'm going to press this. You idiot! That'll take us into the future. I'm going to kill you, Stumpy. Get back here. Oh, he set off the time alarm. Sorry about that. We're now travelling 2,000 years into the future. It's going to take ages to get back now. Goodbye.